In this video we will discuss about how to install Java software. Okay, so first we have to check whether the Java software already available in your machine or not. Okay, so suppose you can open command prompt anywhere, so you already know how to check the Java software already available in your machine or not. Yes, suppose if I'm opening the command prompt here, yes, so here just you can check whenever we are downloading Java software. So if, for what purpose we require this Java software. So what are the JDK JRE softwares are there? Compiler is available and JVM software is also available. Compiler for compilation process, JVM for execution process. So in order to access this compiler and JVM software, Sun Microsystem provided the two tools or not. Yes, Java C and Java, these are the two tools they provided. So first if you want to check whether the Java software available in your machine means, so just type Java hyphen version. So whenever we are typing like this, so if any Java software already installed in your machine means, you will get that a particular Java version. But so if operating system not able to find out what is this Java keyword means, so that means Java is not recognized as internal or external command. So that means your operating system not able to find out what is this Java. So that means Java is available or not available here. Yes, Java software is available in your machine? No, Java software is not available. So not only this one, if you want to check compiler able to access means, if you type Java C, so Java C also not accessible or not? Yes, Java also not accessible. So that means so Java software is itself not available. So then how it is possible? The compiler and the JVM software not available, right? Yes, that's why for the if you want to access compiler also, compiler not able to recognize. So JVM also not able to recognize. So based on that, yes, we can confirm yes, Java software not available in your machine. Now what is your next responsibility? So how to download your Java software from the internet, because it is not comes with operating system, right? Yes, it is built in, it is not built in with operating system. Explicitly we have to download from the internet. But nowadays who is maintaining this Java programming language? Oracle Corporation or not? Yes, that's why where that Java software is available means within the oracle.com only this particular Java software is available. Yes, that's why go to our Oracle main website. Okay, so oracle.com, this is the first website that is available in the oracle.com or not. If you see here, we have a resources option is available or not. Yes, so go to resources. Under resources, if you observe here, Java downloads folder is available. Yes, so just click on this Java folder. So you can download any version software, that is not an issue. So of Java 8 is the standard version for so software industry. Above 8 also it is fine. Okay, up to latest version also we can download happily, there is no doubt. Yes, if you observe here, so Java 22, Java 21, Java 17, so as like, so there are multiple operating systems also available or not. Before downloading this particular software, first we have to check your system property. How to check means just right click on it, go to properties. Okay, if you observe here, so here edition is Windows 10 or not? Yes, Windows 10, and here system type is 64-bit. So that means Windows 64-bit operating system. So that's why we have to download that compatible JDK software from the Oracle Corporation. Sir, I don't want to download this latest version, I want to download Java 8. If you scroll down here, Java 8 is available or not? Yes, you can choose irrespective operating system and you can download, it is not an issue. Okay, so let's go for latest version. It is not Java 21 Windows. Here if you see x64 installer is available or not? Yes, so this is for so 64-bit Windows operating system software. Just click on this one. Okay, yes, download completed, right? Yeah, so now if you go to your download folders, now JDK software is in download or not? Yes, so just by download this Java software, so is Java software installed in your machine? No, right? So suppose if I'm closing this one, so now I am going to your particular folder and you can go to any folder. Okay, so here just I am opening the command prompt, and if you type so Java hyphen version, so whenever we are typing like this, is Java software installed? No. So just by downloading Java software in your machine, so Java software is not available here. So we have to install that particular software. That's why how to install means just whatever the exe application file is there, just to double click on it. Yes, you can accept this one. Yes. Yes, click on next. So here if you observe here, so it is asking for installation folder directory. So we already discussed Java home path or not. Yes, so whatever the location, by default it will choose C drive program files. It will create a one Java folder. Within the Java folder, that JDK folder will be created. So there itself this Java software installed. Okay. So no sir, not satisfied with this particular folder. So if you want to change the location also, that is fine. Okay, so that is up to your wish, but all are so choosing same path only. Okay, C drive program files Java JDK. So just next click on it. So automatically whatever the Java software installation SE standard concepts are there, all concepts will be included here. If you observe here, so Java SE development kit 2264-bit successfully installed or not. Yes. So that means whenever we are install this Java software, so which concepts should installed in your machine? Java standard edition. What are the Java standard edition concepts are there? All predefined classes, methods, variables, what are the predefined things they developed by the Sun Micro system. So all are we can able to access by using this Java software or not. Yes, now successfully installed in your machine. Okay, just to close it. So now if you open the command prompt anywhere, now if you check, so whether the Java software successfully installed in your machine or not. Yes. Okay, so now open this command prompt in the D drive. So let's check. So first I want to check whether the Java software available in your machine or not. Yes. So which software it is available, so we can check here. If you observe here, previously I got error, so my operating system not able to find out the Java version, but once installed successfully completed. So if you observe here, whenever we are typing Java space hyphen version, so Java which is version software installed in your machine, so it is clearly shown by the operating system or not. Yes, which version software is available here? Java 22 version software installed in your machine. Okay, this is the how we need to check whether the Java software available or not. Okay, so after that, if you once within the JDK software, compiler and JVM both are available or not. Yes, yes, we have to access this compiler and JVM software also, right? Yes, yes sir. If you want to go for compilation process, compiler software is required. If you want to execute your Java application, JVM software is required. Okay. In order to communicate with this compiler and JVM software, Sun Micro system provided two tools or not. Yes, so that's why what are those two tools means? One is Java C for Java compiler. If you observe here, previously I got error, but now I got output or not. Yes, so that means compiler software is also available. So if if I'm typing Java, so JVM software is also available or not. Yes, so wherever you want to access in your system, now this compiler and JVM software successfully able to access or not. Yes, so we can happily access this compiler and JVM software, guys. So this is the how we need to install Java software in your machine and successfully access compiler and JVM software throughout your operating system.